You know how every project starts out so exciting? You've got ideas flying, plans coming together, and everything looks neatly lined up on your board. But as your team grows, projects pile up, cards multiply, deadlines slip. That's when a Kanban board becomes your best friend. It helps you see everything at a glance, stay organized, and actually get stuff done. And the new wave of Kanban software out there is way smarter. Think better automation, real-time updates, and views that go way beyond the basic board. So here are the 10 best Kanban tools that cut through the clutter, keep your team in sync, and put you back in control. First is ClickUp. And honestly, it's the converged AI workspace every Agile team needs. ClickUp's Kanban boards, or the board view, is one of my favorites. It's super visual, customizable, and helps you and your team stay perfectly in sync. Need to automate repetitive stuff? ClickUp's got automations and AI that moves tasks between stages, assigns teammates, and sends updates automatically, so handoffs feel effortless. What is good about it is how seamless the collaboration feels. You can add comments, attach files, and get instant notifications on tasks so everyone stays on the same page. If you're managing Agile workflows, try ClickUp's Kanban roadmap template. It's a great way to visualize project phases, track timelines, and keep your team aligned on upcoming milestones. And for software teams, ClickUp's Kanban for software development template helps plan sprints, track progress, and align feature delivery. It can feel a bit complex at first, but if you want a tool that can grow with you, ClickUp is hard to beat. If you want something quick and easy, Trello is a classic. It comes with drag and drop boards that are perfect for small teams as well as personal projects. It's simple to use and has a gradual learning curve, and you can start organizing right away using its signature card and board interface. And if you need more features, you can add power-ups for automations, analytics, and calendar views. Just keep in mind, as your projects get bigger, Trello can start to feel crowded, and some features do cost extra. But for smaller teams that are just getting started, Trello is a fantastic choice. Next is Asana. Asana helps teams stay organized and on the same page. Its Kanban boards are clean and intuitive, and you can also easily switch to timeline or calendar views for more detail. Asana makes it easy to track dependencies, automate tasks, and see your progress with helpful reports. It's especially great for teams juggling lots of projects. The only downside lies with its advanced features. They can get pricey, and customizing boards takes a bit more work. If you prioritize flexibility, Notion is your playground. You can build Kanban boards right alongside notes, docs, and databases, creating a workspace that fits your needs. Notion also comes with ready-to-use templates so you can set things up in minutes and get your team working efficiently right away. Just a heads up, there's no built-in automation, and once your board gets really packed, the loading speed can start to slow down a bit. If you love personalizing things your way, Monday.com is for you. Its boards are easy to customize and are packed with features like status updates, dependencies, and multiple views. It's also a really aesthetic tool. Super visual, colorful, and a big hit with design and marketing teams. And whether you're running multiple Agile projects or managing cross-functional teams, it gives you full visibility and control over everything that happens. Automations save you time, and integrations connect all your favorite apps in one place. One thing to watch out for is that as your team grows, you might bump into some limits unless you're on a higher plan, and the setup can feel a bit much for beginners. But still, if you want a tool that's both flexible and visually satisfying, Monday.com is a top pick. Next up is Jira. If you've ever worked on a software or product team, you've definitely heard of this one. Jira's Kanban boards offer sprint tracking, custom workflows, and real-time reporting. You can even automate tasks, link code, and keep every detail in check. That being said, Jira can sometimes feel overwhelming for non-technical teams. Oh, and here's a fun fact. The name Jira actually comes from Gojira, the Japanese word for Godzilla. It's a nod to Atlassian's early days when their coders used a bug tracking software tool called Bugzilla. If your team juggles a lot of moving parts, Rike might be a fit for you. It is built for teams that need predictable structure, especially when managing big, complex projects. Rike's Kanban boards help you track dependencies, set custom statuses, and monitor progress across multiple projects with its simple-to-use dashboards and Gantt charts. Automations, proofing, and workload tracking are some of its additional features that makes Wrike useful. There is a learning curve though. Plus, the best features are limited to the paid plans. That said, if your organization is managing lots of deliverables and needs real control, Wrike is a strong contender. When your to-do list starts feeling endless, that's when a tool like Todoist steps in. It's built to help you organize your work and your life in one interface. Its boards feature lets you organize everything visually so you can set priorities, add labels, and even type natural language phrases like next Tuesday to set deadlines instantly. The only trade-off is that some of the more advanced features like custom filters and workflow automations are only available on paid plans. And if you're working with a big team or need complex project management, Todoist might feel a bit limited. But if you only want a Kanban board for personal productivity, Todoist keeps things tidy for you. Now, if you're dealing with big projects and lots of moving parts, Smartsheet is a powerhouse. Its Kanban boards work seamlessly with Gantt charts, calendars, and grid views, so you always have a clear picture of progress, timelines, and dependencies. You can set up custom automations to handle repetitive tasks and even chat with your team right inside the platform, so no one's ever out of the loop. But it might feel a bit feature heavy for smaller projects, and costs can add up as your team scales. Still, for complex projects that demand structure and visibility, Smartsheet is worth it. Finally, for teams that live and breathe in the Google workspace, Kanban is a natural fit. It combines Kanban boards with Gantt charts and time tracking, all while syncing directly with Google Drive, Calendar, and Docs. Built-in analytics like burn down charts and flow diagrams make it easy to monitor progress and productivity. If your team isn't fully using Google Workspace, some features might not be as useful, and the interface can take a little getting used to. But for Google-centric teams, Kanban keeps your workflow running smoothly. No matter how your team works, the right Kanban tools can make or break the deal for you. Of course, the best tool is the one that fits your workflow. Try out a few, see what clicks, and get ready to enjoy a more organized, productive way of working. If you want a platform that combines flexible views, automation, and real-time tracking, ClickUp is a great place to start. It adapts as your needs grow, making it a reliable choice for any team size. Check it out for free at clickup.com and see how it fits your goals. Happy organizing.